So this Mercedes just come to my garage. Customer bring the car come and wetin be the car problem? Customer complain about check engine and sometimes the car misfire, engine dey shake. Maybe sometimes if he's on a high speed, if the car want to change gear, the engine will vibrate. As Mercedes now, new benz wey we say will be now. I said, okay, no worry, make I put my engine first check. On my greatest surprise, I just check, I discovered that the cylinder C is not working. Short to the ignition coil. So after I open the ignition coil, I see the issue there and I fix it. I fix it back. And you know this engine, this Mercedes engine is a new model engine. So you need all the cylinders to be working very well. It's not to be active. So the car will have power. It's 276 engine. The car carry 276 engine. So, but thank God, everything there okay. Don't forget to bring your car to my garage.